All right, guys. Well, we're here at Chicago Auto Pros. Welcome. We got two YouTubers on deck, and I'm gonna show you guys the cars that are here and inside Chicago Auto Pros. So you guys enjoy the show. It's getting late. I got you guys at 30 frames per second, so you get a little bit more light in here. It's not a Hellkeezy though, right? Yeah.
It's pretty cool though, having the inner.
It's missing that blower though, but
This is all stock though, right? It's just
yeah.
aesthetics.
Yeah, that's all
He's
stock.
got the
Bar, neon lighting.
I think that's stock. He's painted.
No, I don't think they have a stock one. All right, let's go check out some cars here. Legitstreetcars, what's up, buddy?
Hey, what's up, man?
How are you,
doing?
man? Good.
Good.
There you go. That was one of them, guys. Lotus. Stick shift.
And then it's got some rust around the windows.
See what we got going on.
Spotless. The trunk floor, when I had the gas tank out, looks good. Yeah, they are. The rockers look brand new. They're tiny. Even for them, just rusted in some other places. What's that? The frame is straight as an arrow. And still got the factory undercoating on it. Oh, nice. Yeah, those chemicals.
Fiero. Ooh, interesting. D8. Let's go show Bullets Garage. Bullets Garage is in the house.
Good people. Yeah, you are. No, I love this thing to death. I was thinking about popping in like a 360 or something in it. But, oh yeah, that'd be a good one. But the 318 is just such a good torquey motor that all I want to do is get rid of it, just so I can have it's just a good running car.
Very clean Mustang.
Anyway, nice to meet you in real life. All right, thanks for coming out.
Hey, Daddy, can you take a picture of me?
Yeah. I really like that project.
You know what car that is?
So that was
Close.
so hard to pick one.
Mustang.
Like my Turbo Trans Am, I love that one too.
You don't get the red speed. It's all the mechanics.
I see. This is more like it. Nice and quiet. All right, guys. So this is actually the new location of Chicago Auto Pros in Lombard. So this is the bigger location, as you can see. Window tinting shop, whatnot, car wash base, and look at this 911 Turbo S. I'm not even sure if these are factory wheels or not, but the fitment on this is on point, as you can see. HRE wheels, so they are aftermarket set of wheels. Beautiful car. Porsches, as you guys know, I've driven a few, and these things grew on me a lot. Cobb access port, actually, I'm surprised this has a Cobb access port as the tuning software, but beautiful nonetheless. Tesla, this is the new Tesla. It's not the Y. Is it the Y? Nice wheels here. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't know. You guys comment below what this even is, because I'm not sure. And yeah, nice little shop here they got going on. If you guys need any detailing, car wash, clay bars, wrapping, window tints, they got everything over here. They can hook you guys up. Like, this is Legitstreetcars, Mercedes-Benz, and this thing looks pretty good. That's his other car. We got a bunch of cars in here. Spot check this out. Wow, look at this electric vehicle. All battery powered. That's interesting. This thing must have a hell of a lot of torque. Curious to see how much it puts down. More batteries here. Yeah, it is super hot. Yeah, I don't know how these guys work here during the day. They got their merch sales right there. They got some work. And yeah, they're detailing some cars right there. You got the products. That's the shop, guys. Quick little video. It's too dark outside to make anything happen. But hope you guys enjoy. We got EddieX, another YouTuber. There's another YouTuber, bro.
Which one?
EddieX. No shit. EddieX here with his GT350. That is EddieX?
Yes!
No way.
Dude, my year has been made.
It's,
Getting to meet WatchJrGo.
yeah. Is JR local here?
No, he's in Kansas. He flew up there to hang with Legitstreetcars.
Okay, okay. We got two S2Ks sitting pretty. RFP ones, yeah. Full carbon fiber roof here. Volk raised right over here. Beautiful setups, beautiful stands. S2Ks always look good. Yeah, I love these cars, man, honestly.
Yeah. I told him, I'm like, shit, take it out, I'll buy it. He's like, I got you. In like 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, is that a turret? No, that's a blower. Blown Mustang.
6 in the back.
There's got to be a GT. Yeah, 5.0 with a blower on it. Huge slicks right here. Look at those slicks on that. Oh man. Alright guys, we got BulletsGarage in the house. He just introduced me to Jason, the shop owner. Actually, as I come up to him, he subscribed to Bully Kids channel, my channel. So we gotta give BulletsGarage a shout out. Thanks for hooking us up with subscribers, man.
You know, that's what I do.
Appreciate it.
So who just subscribed to your channel, Greg?
This guy Jason from Chicago Auto Pro subscribing to Little Bully Kid right
Yeah, you're gonna blow up now, man. You're gonna blow up.
Just to detail my camera. That's pretty clean, but that's not his E63 because he got an E63 too. I don't know, yeah, but he's got a big ass YouTube channel too, EddieX.
That's good.
Let's Google him. Yeah, because one of the guys pulled up and he's like, EddieX. Yeah, that's him.
Yeah, so he used to be a vehicle broker.
I don't know, he used to be independent and do some stuff, but he came in with he had a GT350 with with aftermarket wheels, yeah. Alright guys, just got back from the little meetup. It was pretty cool. I didn't record a lot and it was dark, but we did meet Jason from Chicago Auto Pros. Cool guy. Go check him out if you're looking for any kind of detailing, wrapping, tinting, top-notch work, top quality. My brother BulletsGarage, been in his shop for detailing services, and the car comes out spotless. We also saw WatchJrGo, Legitstreetcars, and EddieX. I guess he's in town. He's gonna be in the Midwest right now. He moved, and it's crazy. He's at 100K. He does another job full-time. Legitstreetcars works full-time somewhere. He's got 400-something thousand subscribers. So the possibilities are endless, and we're gonna keep grinding, doing stuff on the cheap on this channel until we get there as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I'll check you guys out next time. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.